daming mommy duties now.
T-zone. That's the T-zone. Oh, you said I'm coming. Oh, go na. Pwede na ako makeup artist. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Look this one.
Hello! It's a normal Tuesday and maano yung pasok ni Jace ngayon hapon dahil graduation photoshoot lang nila. O minake-upan pa lang siya ng light and then ihahatid ko siya. Susunduin muna namin si Jada. Daming mommy duties now. Tapos hahatid ko siya sa school and then may meeting ako. So, yan siya. Yan ang makeup. Do you like it? Yeah, okay. Yan, nasundo na namin si Jada. Say hi to the vlog. Pero, dapat ihatid ko si Jace naman. Kaso lang, may mga naiwan siya na props for the photoshoot. Kaya, wala akong mic. Sana naririnig niyo ako. Kaya ito, balik muna kami ulit sa bahay. Si Jada. Sleepy na siya! It's lunchtime. Pag ganyang lunchtime, antok na yan eh. Ayan, nasa bahay na kami. Dahil umuwi na rin kami ulit, might as well, kunin ko na yung gamit ko para diretso na ako sa work. Supposedly kasi, ihatin si Ate Jace, tapos si Jada, and dito sa bahay, tapos papasok ako. Eh dahil may naiwan si Ate Jace. Yan. Sabi ko rin, turuan ko siya mag-retouch kasi no parents allowed doon. Kaya, turuan ko na siya ngayon. So, this is for your lips. This is for retouch. For example, you're like, sweaty na, diba? So, but sa T lang. T-zone. That's the T-zone. Kasi dyan tayo nagiging sweaty. The blush on. Pero I'll add na lang. If you really need later to, ay baka may lang. Nalagyan ko siya ng eyelash. Nakita niyo ba? Naka-shorts ako ngayon. Very summer. Kasi, grabe yung init. Start na talaga ng summer. Ang init eh. Okay, let's go. Bye! Oo nga, so 10 days na lang. I just got home.
We're still awake.
Late na si Mami. Tapos may gift si Jerry from her cousin. Sa office kasi dumating. Ta-da! Look. Jerry, where are you? Did you put makeup? Oh, show them.
Yeah?
Ulit. Kiss mo ako ulit. Ba't ka pa nahiya? Ba't ka nahiya? Go, go, go.
What?
You have a gift! Look, look, look! Your gift! Good for you! You don't like it? Yay! Go, go, go!
It's a Monday.
Diba it's frozen? Pakipot pa!
Daddy, it's Monday. It's
Pakipot
a
naman!
Monday. That's
What?
happy.
Oh, you said I'm coming. Oh, go na. You open. You haven't opened?
Yeah?
Wow!
Okay.
To Jari from Kuya Esmond, Ate Tonya, Ate Alana, and Ate Monday! Yay!
It's a Monday.
Open na, anak!
Oh, the bottom? Oh. Yeah. There's tape here, wait. Wow! Wheels! Wheels!
I'm asking ate kung kamusta yung shoot niya and ito yung mga photo niya. Pwede na ako makeup artist. Yeah?
Oh, wow. Look this one. Say let it go.
Wow! Yung new scooter niya ay from her cousin sa birthday ni Jari nung Sunday. Say hi to the vlog. Hi, vlog. Ka-shades pa siya, oh. Ayan, papasok na ako ng work. Pero susunod ko rin si Jada at lunchtime. Happy Wednesday, everybody! Happy midweek! Of course, Mommy Errands, hindi pa rin nakakapasok until now. Si Kuya Edwin yung nag-drive for us kasi namatay yung mommy niya. Kaya, kami-kami lang muna ni Yonel yung nagtutulungan. Ang lakas ng aircon. Grabe, mainit na. Summer na talaga ngayon. So, nagre-release na nga dito sa village namin ng parang heat index for the day. So, ganung level na. Of course, still on fasting. Fasting tayo. Papasok lang ako saglit sa office. And then, sunduin ko si Jada. Is here! Hi! Yan. Ihatid ko lang siya sa bahay and then back to office na ulit si Mommy. Oh, she's wearing the HTP jacket, by the way. Mas bagay anak to sa uniform mo. Yeah, because your uniform is blue. Back home! Bago na akong kape para di tayo mag-order ng iced coffee today. So, I'm going to work na. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Kiss. Joey, bye! Joey, bye-bye!
Mommy, it tastes like powder.
Alin?
Powder.
Alin?
It tastes.
Cheeks?
Yeah.
Tastes like powder? Did you taste my cheeks? Kabay. This is my baon. Grilled chicken, chicken breast, plus pita bread, a garlic sauce, and then strawberries, and oat milk from outside. Not sponsored. Alam niyo naman ng mga ganito ko dito. Paper plates, paper cup. Yes. Lipat tayo dito sa phone ko. Nakidnap yung Osmo ko. To see the difference. So, iPhone 17 yan. Pero front camera versus yung kanina ng Osmo. Sobrang layo. Kaya, eating lunch. Yung grilled chicken, ginawa ko na siya bago umalis kanina sa bahay. Easy meal. Mga healthy food, they can go together. Kahit may chicken pa, parang kung strawberry. Tapos ko na yung vlog na to, para makafocus na ako sa kanya kain ko. Thank you for watching my vlog. Till my next vlog, please like and subscribe. Bye!